Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth slow motion and speed video editing using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So we can click on video and then select new to create new project. And then you're going to import the video that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to use this video. Okay, import the video, and then you're going to go to the speed menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find speed, and then you're going to choose curve, and you can follow my curve. Wait, I'm going to add more dots like this. You can place this pointer and then click on this plus icon to add new dot or new point. Okay, and then you can follow this curve. You can speed up your video, and then you can slow down and speed up, slow down, speed up again, and then slow down like this and speed up. And okay, and then to make it smoother, you're going to select smooth, and then the smooth slow motion will be applied to your video. Okay, and then you can see the preview. Oops, sorry, we need internet connection guys to use the smooth slow motion feature. Wait, I'm going to check my internet connection. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, it's still loading guys, and we just need to wait for a moment until the smooth feature can be applied to this video. And now it's still processing. Alright, it's almost done. Okay, smooth slow motion has been applied, and then let's play it to take a look at the final result. Yeah, that's so cool. And you can customize the curve guys. If you're not satisfied with my curve, you can modify it according to your video. Okay, so the tips is you can activate this smooth slow motion to make your video smoother or to make the transition smoother. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!